Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up Cursor AI with Replit using an SSH key. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. Next, open Replit in your browser, set up or open any directory you want to use, and look on the right side of the screen. Click the plus icon to add a new tab and type SSH. If your SSH connection isn't configured yet, the Launch Cursor button will be grayed out and not clickable. To fix that, click on Keys, then add SSH key. Then, on your Windows computer, open Windows PowerShell and run this command. The exact command is listed in the description. Now, press Enter 3 times to accept the defaults. This will generate your SSH key pair. You then need to follow these 3 steps to find your key. First, navigate to the folder where your keys were generated. Look for the file ending in .pub, and right-click the file, select Edit in Notepad, and copy everything inside. Go back to Replit, paste your public key into the Add SSH Key field, and click Add SSH Key. Your SSH key should now be successfully added. Now you need to click the Launch Cursor button to initialize the SSH connection. It's important to choose Linux when prompted, or else it will not work. Then press Continue and wait for the connection to complete. Once you're connected, any files Cursor AI creates or edits will be updated in your Replit directory in real time. That's it! You've successfully set up Cursor AI with Replit over SSH. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.